Hi, welcome to Everyone Can Jam. This is a place where everyone can learn to play music. This is my last little ad for the new channel. All my new lessons are on the new YouTube channel, Janet Brockman. And I hope you will come on over and join us there. You can ask questions, and sometimes that gives me really great ideas for videos that help a lot of people. At the end of this video, I'm going to put a box right here. You can click on that. It will take you to the new channel and a lesson that focuses on the G chord. It's how to make your fingers reach chord shapes G chord. And I hope to see you there. You can sign up for my email list at www.everyonecanjam.com. There's a blog there about how the brain learns music, and probably more blogs in the future about things like top 10 stumbling blocks for adult beginners. I hope to see you around. Bye.